faster run is per typical. Chase Lowe into the front court, dishes it back to Haskins for three, and it is good. He's 13th in the league and three. The most missed it badly. Chase Lowe tries to go coast to coast. They get around the horn and go. Haskins for three.
I love it. I love it. That's just great basketball and confusion. Wilmington's had a couple careless turnovers. As Haskins shoots another, he's feeling it tonight, man.
And he's got his third three-pointer of the evening. Look at the work for UNC Wilmington here in the second half. Down low, Brockhoff, layup good, and he's hoisted to the ground. Up front to Tunda. Tunda against Wessler, into the paint, reverse layup, good.
Footwork.
Nice pivot, yeah. Point to the ball game for Joel. Into the corner,
great
pop
move.
step, yep it is. Reverse layup is up and in. Noah Ross, a big time. UNC Wilmington bunch, who has had 4 consecutive 20-win seasons, trying to get back into it with a three by Christian May.
That's the wrong guy.
Team, cross-court pass, up top now to Madison Durr. Durr will take a long three, and it's up and good. Durr's led them now. He's got Oath, who just checked in. He's a transfer from NCA&T, and he's got it on the baseline jumper. It's up and good. That's Madison Durr. Look for an open man. Now going to dribble it out front with 15 on the shot clock. Kyle Pulliam. Kyle Pulliam with a drive down the right side of the lane, and a tough layup is up and in, and he is fouled.
Jay, that is a tough bucket. I mean, not
foul. William & Mary wins this ball game 77-70. A well-earned victory by William & Mary.